Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by hiding the dock because that's the Mac equivalent of a taskbar. Open System Settings and go straight to Desktop and Dock. Once there, flip on Automatically Hide and Show the dock. This removes the dock from view and resurfaces it when you move the pointer to the screen edge. Make sure to choose a side and size that suit your workflow. Smaller size minimizes accidental reveals and keeps apps accessible without cluttering your desktop. If you want firmer control, use Terminal to set Auto Hide and tweak behavior. Open Terminal and run the command to enable Auto Hide and restart the dock. Once done, the change is immediate. You can also set the Auto Hide Delay and Auto Hide Time modifier keys to remove the reveal lag so the dock stays hidden until you deliberately summon it. Make sure to test after each command. If something feels off, reverse with Auto Hide Bool False and Kill All Dock to restore defaults. Complete the process by testing full screen apps and normal use to confirm the dock stays out of the way. If it reappears unexpectedly, toggle the system settings option off and on, or run Kill All Dock in Terminal to force a refresh. Should problems persist, restart the Mac, and if needed, reset dock defaults with defaults delete com. Apple. Dock, Kill All Dock. One troubleshooting tip: check for third-party utilities that manage the dock. They can override settings, so disable them to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.